Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fill up the collector's box for the Modular Streets festival in Heartopia. So we have to fill it again for this week. So this is what I'm just going to do. You only need stars for this, so it's not the amount, but it's the stars of the plant or the lake food you have, for instance. So I'm just going to submit these, and I have the collector's box full. I also had a lot of people submit theirs to mine. That's why it was already like filled, I guess. But you'll need to do it for your insects and fish and food, and then the lemon verbena as well as the flowers. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.